Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Thursday, November 7th. We're going to be seeing increasing clouds as we go throughout the day today with some south to southwesterly winds. Also going to be seeing some mild temperatures as we go into this afternoon, and then we're going to be seeing a cold front pass the region tonight, bringing us some scattered showers, and behind that cold front seeing some much colder air filtering in for the next couple days. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we do have that high pressure that's been giving us some pleasant weather the last couple days has started to shift eastward, and we're going to be seeing some southwesterly winds as that's moved eastward, and we have this front approaching the area. That'll help to draw on a little bit more of some mild air today, expecting those temperatures in the mid to upper 60s for this afternoon. We're also going to be seeing that cloud cover increase as we go throughout the day today as that front approaches the region, and then seeing some rain showers. Looks like we'll start to see some rain showers starting at about 8 p.m. and then persisting about 2 a.m. Things will be dried out by the time we get up for our workday tomorrow. We're also going to be seeing those winds become rather blustery as that front passes, so expecting a wind advisory tomorrow as we get that pressure gradient tightening up with that colder, drier air filtering in behind that cold front. As of 8 a.m., just seeing a few clouds at 13,000 feet, broken decks at 18 and 25,000 feet. Winds are very light, a little bit stronger over there on the island. Here on the main base, they were rather calm at 8 a.m. and then, but southerly at around 10 to 15 miles per hour over on the island, so quite a big difference there. Temperature is 47 degrees, and we're going to see that temperature continue to rise into the mid to upper 60s as we go throughout the day today. Let's take a quick look at our satellite loop. This morning there we did see sunshine much earlier this morning, right when the sun rose. We're not going to really see too much more of that today, as we'll see those clouds slowly thicken as we go throughout the day today, and especially into this afternoon as we get some upper level cloudiness ahead of this main front that's going to impact us later tonight. Let's take a quick look at our short-term model. This is currently, we're going to just see dry weather throughout the day today, so just seeing those rain showers hang back across the Appalachians as we go into this afternoon, impacting our nation's capital around the sunset this evening, and then we'll see those rain showers reach the Delmarva Atlantic coast around 8 or 9 p.m. this evening, and then will continue through about 2 to 3 a.m. tonight, and then we'll get those winds shifted northwesterly behind that front, and that's going to really dry things out, bringing in that colder air mass and also giving us some slightly gusty winds tomorrow. And we will be seeing a wind advisory at least through the morning hours tomorrow, if not through the early afternoon as well. So taking a look at our forecast for today, expecting that temperature near 65 degrees this afternoon, with those southwesterly winds increasing to 8 to 13 knots and gusty. As the sun sets, we're going to see those winds actually decrease for just a little while, with southwesterly winds around 5 to 10 knots. Then we'll get that frontal passage starting around 8 p.m. with those rain showers. Behind that front, seeing those winds shift northwesterly and increasing to around 11 to 16 knots and gusty as we go into the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow. And then we should see those winds max out in the late morning hours of Friday, so possibly seeing gusts to around 30 to 35 miles per hour as we go into late morning tomorrow. Going to be seeing a low tomorrow of around 38 degrees as we start to get that colder air filtering into the region. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to just continue to see increasing mid and upper level cloudiness throughout the day. As we go into this afternoon, we will be seeing some lower cloudiness near 2,500 feet begin to pop up ahead of that front. As we go into sunset, going to see those skies become overcast at around 12,000 feet, and then lowering to around 8,000 feet after sunset, with ceilings then becoming around 2,000 feet when we get into any shower activity, possibly even as low as 500 feet if we get into any briefly moderate showers around the midnight time frame. And then we'll see the rain clear out after about 2 or 3 a.m., and we'll also see those clouds clear out fairly quickly too as that dry air moves into the region. By sunrise tomorrow, just seeing a few clouds near 4,000 feet, few at 15,000, scattered at 25,000, becoming just a few at 4,000 and a scattered cirrus deck by the mid-morning hours of Friday. Seeing our tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. For tomorrow, it's going to be partly cloudy and breezy, especially in the early afternoon. We'll see those winds drop off pretty quickly once we get to the mid to late afternoon hours. It is going to be unseasonably cool, only expecting a high of around 46 degrees, so that's going to be more than 10 degrees below average for this time of year for that high. Friday night, we're going to have the cold high pressure start to settle overhead. That's going to give us some mostly clear skies and light winds, and that's going to really lead to some widespread freezing temperatures with that cold air mass in place, with a low of 28 here at Wallops, and we can expect lows into the mid-20s, perhaps even some isolated lower 20s in the coldest spots across the Delmarva for Friday night. Saturday, not going to see much change with that cold air mass still locked into place with the high once again of around 46 under partly cloudy skies, but we should be seeing some light winds, and then temperatures will begin to become more mild as we go into our Sunday. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.